Today, I'll show you how to center a button in Webflow. If you're working on a Webflow project and you want to make sure your buttons are perfectly aligned, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get that button centered with ease. First things first, you'll need to head over to webflow.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the address, or simply click on your bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, log into your account if you haven't already. This is your portal to all your amazing design projects, so make sure everything is set up and ready to go. Now, with your Webflow dashboard open, it's time to select the site where you want to center your button. Look through your list of projects and click on the one you're working on. This will take you into the project editor where all the magic happens. If you have multiple projects, make sure you double check the titles to ensure you're working on the correct site. Once you're in your project, navigate to the page where your button is located. Find the button you want to center and click on it. This action will highlight the button and bring up a variety of options and settings related to it. Clicking the button ensures that any changes you make will apply specifically to this element, so make sure you've selected the correct one. Now shift your focus to the right side of the Webflow interface. This is where you'll find the Style panel, packed with all the tools you need to customize your elements. Within this panel, you'll want to locate the Typography section. This section controls text-related styles, but it also includes alignment options that are crucial for centering your button. In the Typography section, look for the alignment options. These are typically represented by a series of horizontal lines, each indicating a different type of text alignment. To center your button, you'll want to click on the center alignment icon. This action will instantly move your button to the center of its container, giving your page a clean and symmetrical look. And there you have it. Your button should now be perfectly centered within its container, making your design look polished and professional. Centering elements not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also helps improve user experience by making navigation intuitive and straightforward. Remember, Webflow is a powerful tool that gives you control over every aspect of your design. Don't hesitate to experiment with other settings and options to achieve the exact look you're going for. With practice, you'll become more confident in using Webflow's features to bring your creative visions to life. Thanks for following along with this quick guide on how to center a button in Webflow. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now ready to tackle more design challenges with confidence. If you have any questions or topics you'd like covered in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Happy designing!